Hello everyone, I'm experimenting with this grass shader in Godot engine. This is the shader that I made almost 2 years ago, but today I decided to update it and make it look much better. Like you can see, if you look at the shader from the top-down view, you will clearly see the effect of wind on the shader, like this. It has the player interaction as well. Let me show you how the effect looks like as the player position changes. Suppose this is a player position at 0, 0, 0. When you change the position, grass around the player is radially moved outward. If player is not on the grass, like above it or below it in some other place, the grass will not distort. You can modify the radius of the grass as well. Now I myself learned this thing from another tutorial, and let me check if I can find that. I'm not really sure which video was that, but I remember that almost 2 years ago I learned this distortion thing from some other person, and I hope I can find them and link to them. Apart from this, it has good settings for different colors, such as you can have various color variations based on your environments. You can have different bottom color, which will give you a little bit of different feel, and same for the top color. You can also make the blade thin and thick like this. So this is the shader code that I'm soon gonna post on my website, GameIdeaOrg, and soon I'll update the tutorial that I wrote 2 years ago. Thank you so much for watching. The shader will soon be released for free. If you like the video, you can just subscribe and I'll keep making more of this content. Thank you so much for the video.